Are you going to tell me why you came out early, Joseph? Tell me right this minute. Why did you come so soon? Huh? You were not fully cooked. No, you were not ready. You're too big for your britches. Aren't you? What do you think? You bad boy. You is a bad boy. I love bad boys. Yes, I do. I love the bad boys. You told me. You were told me. Yes. Did you find your tongue? Did you find it? Duh? Yes, you did. Oh. Okay? Are you okay? What? Yuck. Oh, you're trying to get it out, huh? You're trying to get it out. What? Oh. Yuck. Yuck. Tell me something else. Go ahead. Tell me. Are you going to sing happy birthday to your sister tomorrow? You say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Audrina. Right? Love you.